Auzubillahiminashaitanirrajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, students. How are you all? Student, today is your lecture number 3 that is based on the topic Hassan, the Ant Boy, chapter number 17. Open your book, go to page number 86. Take out your pencils and put your finger on the first line that start from Hassan is an 8-year-old boy. Shall we start reading? Okay. Hassan is an 8-year-old boy. He eats a magic plant and becomes as small as an ant. He has many adventures. At the end of the day, he climbs on his mother's shoulder and falls into a cup of tea she is drinking. As she blows the tea to cool it, she makes huge waves which nearly drown Hassan. Hassan swims for his life. Luckily, he finds a floating tea leaf which he hangs on to and reach the edge of a cup. Then a grain of sugar from his mother's teaspoon hit him on the head and he falls senseless in the saucer. When Hassan recovers, he finds himself in the kitchen with all the cups and saucers. A group of an ant catch hold of him, tie him up, and take him to their chief. Just then, the magic wears off. Hassan returns to his normal size and the ant flee in different directions. His mother asks him where he has been all the morning. Is not it an interesting story, students? Yes, it is an interesting story. Okay, so your first task is you have to write the difficult word. Okay, you will prepare your notebook, put date over there, day over there, classwork over there, and draw a margin line. After preparing your notebook page, you have to write topic Hassan, the Ant Boy, chapter 17, and then you will write activity dictation words. Here I have given you two columns of difficult words. You have to write them as a dictation word. Your first word is magic. 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 Your second word is adventure. 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 Your third word is glimpse. Climbs. Glimpse. Your fourth word is falls. 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 Your fifth word is waves. 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 Your sixth word is drawn. 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 Your seventh word is luckily. Luckily. Skilly. Luckily, your eighth word is reach. Reachs. Reach. Your next word is teaspoon. Teaspoon. Spoon. Teaspoon. Your next word is senseless. 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 Your next word is saucer. 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 Your next word is chief. 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 Next word is flea. Flee. Flea. Next word is cat. Catch. Cat. Okay, student, these are the difficult words that you have to write as dictation word. You also have to learn these words. Okay, so your next task is write word meaning. Okay, so topic will remain same. After preparing the page, you have to write topic Hassan, the art boy, chapter number 17. Activity will be words meaning. Words are given over here and you have to write the meaning. Okay, first word is adventure, meaning exciting experience. Next word is falls, meaning drops. Next word is luckily, meaning happily. Next word is drawn, meaning die in water. Next word is veer off, meaning to disappear. Okay, this is the words meaning of your chapter. Now, your next exercise is change the word written in bold letter into the past form of verb. Write them in your notebook. This exercise has been given on your book page number 87. So, verbs that used in the bold letters are adventure, fall, drawn, veer off. Adventure, adventured. Fall, fell. Drawn, drawn. Veer off, wore off. Okay, this is your exercise A. Now your next exercise is make the sentences of the given word. The word are drawn, catch, senseless, floating, huge. Drawn. Suddenly, huge wave drawn the boat. Catch. My friend catch many fishes from the sea. Senseless. Jokes are always senseless. Floating would always float on water. Huge. My grandfather have a huge boat. Okay, student, this is your exercise B. Now, your next exercise is exercise C on the book page 87. Find the meaning of the following words and write them in your notebook. We have done this exercise already. And your next exercise D is words for dictation. That exercise we also have done. Okay, so you don't need to do exercise C and D. Moving to the next exercise, that is E. Observe the picture and complete the word by filling in the blocks. Here is a leaf, Leaf. Here is a spoon, saucer, Saucers, saucers. Here is a spoon. Moving down, Spoon, spoon. Here is an ant, Ant. Here is a Cup, Here is a false, False. Okay. So moving to the next exercise that is given on your book page 88, creative writing. Okay. Write the ending of the story. Use the word bank to help you. The word bank is given at the end of the page. Like ran, after me, dream, real, shouted, help, fell, bed, just, trees, afraid, helpless, behind. So how the story start? How the story begins? Once I went to watch a film. It was a scary movie full of monsters. The same night, I had a dream. In my dream, I saw that I was passing through a jungle. It was dark and quiet. I became afraid when I heard some strange sounds. I stopped and saw some strange creatures coming toward me. Oh, they were the same monster. I began to run. They then now you have to complete the your own dream. Okay, you have to imagine that dream. You have to imagine that you have watched a scary movie and then you have to write it. Okay, after writing you have to send it to me. Okay, I will check and I will give you remarks on your this task. Okay, I will give you special remarks on your this task. This is a special type of task. You have to imagine it. You have to write it by yourself. Then I will give you special remarks on this task. Okay? So moving to the next page, page number 89, dimin- diminutives. Diminutives are the words that show the smallness. Also tells about young ones of animals. Okay, what are diminutives? Diminutives means the young ones of animals. Okay, so complete the following. Select the young ones from the given list. Okay, here the list is given. Then you have to select and you have to write it. A young deer is fawn. A young cow is calf. A young mare is colt. A young house is cold. A young cat is kitten. A young dog is puppy. A young lion is cub. A young goat is kid. A young sheep is lamb. A young fox is cub. A young tiger is also cub. A young bear is cub. A young hen is chick. A young eagle is eaglet. And a young owl is owlet. A young duck is a duckling. Okay, these are the diminutives of different animals. Okay, young ones of animals. Okay, now moving to the next page, page number 90. Here are countable noun and uncountable noun. We know that the noun is a naming word. We have also read about the singular and plural nouns. Now we are going to study the following: countable noun and uncountable noun. Countable nouns. Countable nouns are those which can be counted and numbered. Example given: five boys, seven glasses, three trees, many books, some table, few pens. So, what is uncountable noun? Are those which can't be easily counted, like sugar, water, hair, milk, etc. We use the word much to know their quantity. Okay? There is much sugar in the cup. How much water is in the jug? Use much or many. Okay? How much or how many? Okay? So, how dash do you wait? How much? How dash brother and sister do you have? How many? How dash times a day do you brush your teeth? How many times a day do you brush your teeth? How dash photos did you take? How much photos did you take? How much water did he drink? How many people did you invite? How many mistakes did you make in the test? Okay, student, this is the today's lecture. Hope you get it all. Take care, students. Allah Hafiz.